Today we're going to make these super cute angel ornaments.
For today's angel craft, all you need is 2 pipe cleaners. I really like these shiny ones. I have them in silver, but use whatever color you would like. You could also just use regular pipe cleaners. And you need some sort of ribbon. I have gold. Choose whatever color you would like. So grab your pipe cleaners, grab your ribbon, and let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is take one of your pipe cleaners, and we want to take and put our fingers in. Let's start with the middle. So let's put our finger in the middle, then take this finger and jump over a little bit, this hand jump over just a little bit, and we're gonna fold up. So now you can see they're even, it's even on both sides with a little bit at the bottom. Then what we're going to do is fold them in, and we're making a small triangle. So this is the shape we're making. It's a fairly small triangle. You want quite a bit of pipe cleaner left over. Once you have that small triangle, you are going to just spin once, and that should secure it. And then I just push a little bit on one side, push a little bit on the other, and I have my triangle. Then what we are going to do is we are going to take one side and curve it. We're going to take the other side and curve it. And we're making the head of our angel. So we're making a circle. Once you have your circle, then you're going to take these 2 pieces here and you're going to turn. So now you have a triangle, you have a circle, and you can just move it around a little bit so it becomes nice and round. Now up here, we are going to join these sides. So one side and the other side. We're going to join them and just turn the ends together so they stick. And there we go. We have a little top. Perfect. Now, we are going to take our second pipe cleaner, and we want to put our first piece right in the middle. So see this part right here? You're going to put that right in the middle, and we're going to fold over one way, and we are going to fold over the other way so that it stays. So now it's stuck there. So we're going to take this end and we are going to join it right in the middle, and you want to just turn it around so it sticks. So make sure it sticks. Do the same thing on the other side. This side, come in and secure it. So turn it so it is secured. Then you're going to go back and turn this into a heart. So to do that, I have this nice loop here. Just going to push in the middle and push out the sides, or I guess pull out the sides, just till you get a heart shape. Same thing on the other side. I take this, I push it in, and I pull these other parts out. And there we go. Now all you have to do is take your ribbon. We're going to tie it here. I like to tie it right at the top of the head first. And you want to tie it at the back. So turn it around, make a little knot.
Then join the 2 ends of the ribbon together to make a knot, and you are done. You have your angel. It's ready to hang up, and you can see here I've also used red as my ribbon. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.